We divide 141 by 5 in long division method. So 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down this 1 and it is 41. 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 1. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 141 divided by 5 is 28.2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.